What's going on, YouTube? Official Keith here, and today we have 3 watch faces from the Jeweler watch face collection. Let's go ahead and get right into it. This watch face is called the Summer Sportive, and one of the things I like about it right off the bat is the font that's used for the letters and the numbers. Plus, I like how it circles the 2 letters that represents the day for the day of the week. This watch face has 16 complications, a unique design, ultra quality, and it even has 2 customizable app shortcuts. Now remember, with the app shortcuts, your watch needs to be updated to at least Tizen 2.3.2.3 or higher. And if for some reason you don't have this on your watch, then the customizable app shortcuts will not work. This watch face features a 12 or 24-hour format, and that's going to be based off of the settings of your phone. As far as the information available, you'll have that list of 14 pieces of information, such as your step goal, your heart rate, moon phase. You'll get your floor counter, but the floor counter is only available for the Gear S3, Gear Sport, and the Galaxy Watch. You'll also have digital seconds. You'll even have a speedometer, just to name a few of the display items on the watch face. Here's a list of the features that you can see for this watch face. If you need to, go ahead and pause the video, read through the list, and then we'll go on to the next watch face. This watch face is called Simple Digital. Now, when you look at it at first glance, it looks like you're looking at 6 numbers going all the way across. But the middle 2 numbers is going to be your second counter, so I like that touch there. And then I like how the moon phase is towards the top of the watch face. An overall clean design. If you're going out on the town or if you're rock climbing, this watch face will be the perfect addition to your day. This watch face has 10 million combinations, so you can have a different look with this watch face every day. And like the last watch face, it too will also feature a 12 or 24-hour format based on your phone settings, and the list is pretty much the same as the last one. The final watch face in the collection is called the Scorpion, and right off the bat, you know what I'm going to say about this one. That sweeping second hand. Y'all know I'm a huge fan of watch faces that have that sweeping second hand, and this one's right up top. Now, along with this one being an analog watch face, if you look to the right of it, where the top 2 numbers are on the side, that's also representing the hour and the minute. So you can tell the time either by the numbers or by the watch hands. And below that will be your second counter. Like the other watch faces that we've shown, this one as well will have a 12 or 24-hour format based off of your phone settings. And as you can see, there's a 14-item list, but this one's going to be a little different with the step goals. If you notice that watch face has an extra hand, so 4 total hands, that hand with the G on it is for your step goal. So that was an extra added touch that is greatly appreciated. I mean, the level of detail in doing something like that is outstanding. Thanks for taking some time to watch my videos. If you like this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my next video. Until next time, this is Official Keith. You're now official. We'll see you later.